Check out our newest update. You can now tag within your social media profile and the social media planner. This feature in the social media planner allows you to tag profiles within your social media posts, enhancing engagement and visibility across various platforms. There are a ton of benefits to this. First, it's going to increase engagement because now when you tag somebody within a relevant profile, it makes it so much easier for their audience to see and possibly other people to share. It's going to give you a more broad reach because tagging makes that possible. It brings you into a much wider audience. It also gives you platform consistency. Now you can maintain that consistent tagging practice across all of your social media platforms that allow it, like Facebook, LinkedIn, and even Twitter. Obviously, there is a ton of practical use when it comes to this update. Now, when your business is announcing a new partnership or really anything, you can tag the partner's profile in your post to increase visibility and engagement for both your audience as well as for theirs. So let me show you how to go ahead and create a new post. First, you're going to need to be in marketing in the left-hand navigation, and then in the upper navigation, please go to the social planner. Now, you're going to click on plus new post, and in the dropdown, you're going to go to create new post. So if you're utilizing a single social media account, just go ahead and select the account and then select a profile to mention. So you'll use that @ symbol, and then you're going to go ahead and select that profile. From there, you can view the mention profile. And now if you're utilizing multiple social media accounts, you're going to go ahead and select all of those accounts. And you're going to mention those profiles. You're going to turn on customize for each channel. This is going to allow you to tag for each unique channel, which is going to be important when you're utilizing multiple channels. Now go ahead and select those profiles. This feature significantly boosts your social media presence and engagement directly within the system. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.